Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be doing more stuff outside, more kind of gardening stuff. It's day 2 with yesterday. Yesterday I filmed the last video. I had to clean up some stuff. I had to clip away some of the hedge, not the hedge, the vine. It was growing onto the greenhouse. So we're going to have to go out and clean up some of that right now. I wanted to fix the greenhouse, the other side with this, but I'm after giving the length of my drill to one of the family, so I need to get that back before I can do that. But it's actually really handy because I don't actually have to cut it. It's 4x2, 4x2 Perspex, and that's exactly the size I need, so it's pretty handy. But yeah, let's go out and clean up the yard, I guess, right? Just day 2 in the life of Niall. Not very interesting. Alright, so I'm going to grow some carrots in this. I'm going to grow some in the ground as well, but I found this pot in there, so I'm just going to fill it up with compost and put some carrot seeds in it and see what happens. Just for a little experiment, I guess. Apparently they like being planted pretty much anywhere. Right out of that. Where'd you go? You are still alive. There. A little bit more. That'll be enough. I'm actually going to buy more of these, but the carrot seeds. I'm going to buy more, but I'm not going to use them all in this, obviously. I'm not sure how I want to do this. Maybe I'll do like 4 or 5. Just put a pinch of a few in. That should be plenty. Now to make it completely damp. Probably way too much. So yeah, I'm actually going to leave it there. Just inside for a little bit until it starts to grow, or till I start planting there. kind of want to plant the onions in another pot now, just to see what they'll turn out yet. Like, I don't know how fussy they can be. Yeah, let me fill up another bin, another pot. Alright, just empty the ton into it and to break it up. I think that'll be more than enough. It is absolutely roasting into this greenhouse. I don't know if you can see that well, but it is almost 22 degrees Celsius, which that is like 70 Fahrenheit. And that's with two panels missing on the bottom and the door open. It's absolutely roasting. So yes, let's put the onions. And the bottom of that is broken, it's cracked, so I don't have to move it around too much in case the whole bottom falls out, which would suck. Some of these, when you open it, there's another little seed in it. When I was opening the tomato seeds yesterday, I was opening and trying to pour it out, and I was like, why aren't they coming out? And they had that in it, but the carrot seeds were just in the packet like that. These are actually quite bigger. Like little black seeds, kind of like, a little bit smaller than sesame seeds. But yeah, I think I'm going to do the same. Do 5 little drills, little holes. Actually, I'm going to do 4 of these because these can be quite a lot bigger, like fatter. So I'm going to do the same, just put a little pinch. A little bit left, I'm going to put them back in the box. The sachet. Alright, so far left, carrot and onion. I need to get more seeds. What do you think about all these, Shelley? This is Shelley, my little Jack Russell. She's absolutely tiny. She's almost, well, not almost 2 years. She's coming up to 2 years old. Maybe like a year and a half. We got her from the shelter. She's a shelter puppy. Someone left her in the field for like a couple of days. We've always had Jack Russells in the house. The last one got sick from I can't remember the name of the disease, but it's from rats. It's basically all these organs are shutting down, so he had to get put down. But yeah, that's pretty much it for today. Hopefully the next time I'll have my drill back so we can fix the panel in the greenhouse. So yeah, thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like, comment if you want to, subscribe. It'll help my channel out a lot. Stay tuned for more daily vlogs, maybe not. Maybe definitely a couple of vlogs a week, just to kind of keep up with the channel, because over winter I don't really paint that much. It's just too cold and damp in the shed to paint. So yeah, thanks for watching. Bye bye. Say goodbye, shall we? Let's say goodbye. Oh, she's saying goodbye. She's waving.